guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, and today I'm going to share with you everything that is in my personal item bag for a flight that we are taking to Aruba. This bag is jam-packed with good stuff. It's everything that I need for, I guess it's about a 4.5 hour flight, so I needed a lot of things to keep me occupied, and amazingly, I fit everything in this bag. We're flying JetBlue, so I did take the exact measurements of what I was allowed to slide underneath the seat in front of me. It's very important that you do that because all airplanes are different, and I especially noticed this with the carry-on luggage. JetBlue does not allow for very large luggage at all. I had to pack teeny tiny in a carry-on bag for JetBlue, so just always make sure that you check with your airline. But this is the exact dimensions that I am allowed, and I'm going to turn the camera around because I just think that'll be a lot easier to show you the layout of the bag and how I have everything organized in here that I need for our flight. Okay, so here is the bag, and you can see there's a zipper compartment in the front. So what I did was I put my toiletry bag, everything that I have to check in through TSA, in that little compartment there, so it's easy just to pull it out and put it in the bin. So that is what is in that front compartment, as well as a couple of pens, and then there's a couple of other additional pockets in there that you can use if you needed to. I found this bag on Amazon. I will leave a link to it below. It was relatively inexpensive. I think it was about $25, so not bad at all. And then you can see on the top here is this little strap that holds the handle closed. And what I most like about this bag is when you open it, and I'll show you, there's two zippers here actually. So when you open it, it opens up like sturdy, so it doesn't collapse, and you can clearly see everything that you have inside. So it's very nicely structured like that, so that when you're on the plane, I know for myself it's always a challenge when I open my bag and I'm trying to get things out. If it's a slouchy backpack, everything kind of falls and you can't really see exactly where everything is, but with this I can line everything up and easily see it. So in here, this is actually an old makeup pouch, and the only thing that I have in here are like all of my chargers. You can't really see them. All of my wires and everything are in these little zipper compartments, so that's how I decided to bring all of my chargers and wires and things for my devices. So they're all in this little pouch. And then I have some N95 masks. I have my Kindle, and then I also have my iPad so that I can watch some movies. So you guys can see I really packed a lot of stuff in here. I have everything that I need. And then I also have my laptop because I plan on hopefully editing some videos while I'm on the flight, so this will definitely keep me busy. I have my headphones in this case, and what I do like about the headphones is they are the noise canceling headphones, so that's really helpful on a flight. And this is what they look like. They have a wire that I can use to connect them just in case I lose the charge on them, but they are also wireless and they're incredibly comfortable. Okay, I'm hoping you guys can kind of see how I have everything laid out in here appropriately. In this bag, I have a change of clothes. So when we arrive in Aruba, I'm going to be wearing leggings and a sleeveless shirt, but in here I have a black tank top and a pair of shorts. So if it is really hot, I can change into that. And I also have a bikini in here. So it's just a great thing to have in the event that I needed to change for any reason. If I spilled something on myself, or if I just needed to change at the resort, if our luggage got lost, I would have an option to have another outfit. I would also have a bathing suit, so I would be able to go swimming. So I just thought this was a great idea to have a change of clothes, including underwear and a bathing suit. All right, the other thing that I have in this bag is a little clear bag of snacks, and again, it's going to be super easy to pull out. So I have all of the snacks and things that I need in here. I also have a couple of liquid IVs. I have some little bags of nuts, some pirate booty, and that should get me through the flight. And this other bag, you can see I'm really organizing things in these little bags. I think that makes it easier to find stuff. This is my Coraline bag that I absolutely love, one of my favorite movies. And in this bag, this is kind of all of my in-flight essentials, things that I need to kind of freshen up, or if I don't feel well, just like everything. So I'll quickly show you what's in here. I have a brush. I have a little mini deodorant, some wet ones so that I can wipe things down or clean myself up if I needed to. I have some Soft Lips lip gloss. In this bag, I have all of my various different medicines that I need. So I have some anti-nausea medicine, Rolaids. I think there's some Dramamine in here. There's Imodium, a Band-Aid. In this little container, I have Tums and I have Advil. So everything that I could possibly need if I'm not feeling well on the flight. I also have makeup remover pad. And I have a couple of lotions. They're just samples that I received. Again, I'm just thinking, imagine if they lost my luggage and I just needed to have some things on me. These would be the things that I would find to be necessary, such as a lipstick. And I have a little blush, which I really like this because it also can be used as a lipstick. And I'll probably throw in my mascara as well. I have these, they're by the company Hawley, and it's little melatonin. They're kind of like gummy bears. I have not used them yet, but if I need to sleep, I think this will help, and you take 2 at a time. So I have those in there. I have some feminine products just in case. And then I have C-bands in case I start to feel nauseous. These always work really well for me. Okay, so you can see I've taken most of the items out already, but I do still have some stuff there on the bottom and on the side. So in this little bag, I actually received this from JetBlue. JetBlue is my preferred airline to travel with. I always have, or I should say most of the time, I have good experiences with them. I better knock on wood because I have a lot of upcoming flights. But I have a variety of different earbuds. So these are the type that you can plug into your phone or your Apple device, if you can see that. But then I also like to have the type of earbuds that have this little contraption that you plug into the seat. So if you're watching in-flight movies, this is the type that you would need. And then I also have some earplugs in here. The sound of the plane just really is unsettling for me. It makes me very anxious, so I really like to have options to be able to drown out all of the airplane noise. Here is another pair. I always have extras because usually I'm traveling with my 3 children who will also be needing them. So these were actually purchased on a JetBlue flight. And then I also have some pre-moistened lens wipes for my glasses when I'm reading or for my sunglasses when I arrive. So it's always great to have some lens wipes. And all of this fits perfectly in this little JetBlue bag. I actually have a couple of these from previous flights, and it really comes in handy, and I reuse them a lot. All right, we're getting to the bottom. I have some KN95 masks. Definitely will be needing those on the plane. I also have an umbrella in case we encounter some rain. It's good to be prepared. And way at the very bottom of this bag, I have a pair of basic black flip-flops. Again, if my luggage were to be lost for any period of time and I arrive in Aruba and I really just want to go swimming and go to the pool and do all of those things, at least I'll be prepared with flip-flops and a bathing suit and a short set. So I thought that was just really a smart thing to have on me. It also makes sense to keep any medications with you. If you have medications that you absolutely need to take, make sure that you have them with you in your personal item bag, not in your carry-on bag, because your carry-on bag could possibly end up getting checked and could possibly end up getting lost, right? So always just be prepared for the worst. I have an external charger, and what I like about this backpack is there is a wire that is connected to the backpack so that you can plug in your external charger, and you can kind of just slip it in the back pocket. You can just slip it in the back pocket and then it comes through this side, and you can plug it into your phone, so you could put your phone in this little slot here and let it charge. I also have some antibacterial hand wipes in here as well. I keep this very easily accessible so that I can just pull it out and wipe things down on the plane or in the airport. I had this over to the side, but I just wanted to show you. I do also have a little black fanny pack that I'm going to be wearing at the airport, and if they give me a problem with it, I could always put it in my backpack for it to be inclusive of my personal item. But this is where I'm going to have my ID and my money and anything else that I might need easily accessible to me as I am trying to get on the plane and get through all of the security and things like that. In addition to that, I do also carry a file with me that has all of my Aruba information. So in here, I'm not going to show you because I just don't think I should share all of my confirmation numbers and things, but I have my itinerary of the trip, everything we're going to be doing. I have all of my boarding passes for our flight printed. I have maps. I have the hotel confirmation. So just all of the important paperwork that I could possibly need is in here. I also printed out my proof of vaccination, and I'll have my proof of my negative COVID test. So just all of those things are going to be easily accessible here in this file, and what I'll do is I will keep this in this back zippered part so I can easily take it out to show them at the airport when I need to. And then on this side compartment, I have my sunglasses. So I have a hard case so that I don't end up messing them up in the airport, and they are easily accessible right there. And then, oh wait, there's more. There's a little zipper compartment inside, and in the zipper compartment I have tissues and more masks. So definitely prepared with masks. I like to be able to change them, especially if I get hot on the plane, or just it starts to feel gross after a while, especially with a longer flight. And then finally, in the back compartment here, I have a travel journal because I do like to write things about my travels, and it just keeps me busy on the plane. And then if I dig in deep, I have this little pouch that has a couple of sleep masks in it. So I found these on Amazon. I'll link below anything that I can that I did purchase on Amazon. I have a whole Amazon store, and there is a category that is travel essential, so I think most of these items can be found on there, so I'll make sure I link that below for you. But you can see it has so many great compartments, and then there is also this little strap so you can slip this right over your luggage bag. So when you're rolling your luggage through the airport, you don't have to have the weight of the backpack on you the whole time. You can just put that on your luggage, which I will probably do because I'm going to be honest, this is very heavy. There's a lot of weight to this. So it's going to come in handy being able to just strap this right onto my luggage. And then if you would like to quickly see what I have in my toiletry bag, I will show you. So this is my toiletry bag for this flight, and we are checking one luggage bag, so there are things that I'm going to be able to just still have in the luggage. Otherwise there might be more stuff in here, such as toothpaste and shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that, but I don't need to bring that on the plane with me because it will be already packed in one of our luggage bags. So we're going to do one carry-on, and we're going to check one bag for and we're going to check one luggage bag. All right, I have in here rose water hydrating mist. So this is just to freshen up on the flight. It tends to get really dry on flights, and I like having the ability to just kind of freshen up and spray that on my face. And then I have this Goop Glow Lotion. So this is face lotion that I can apply during the flight as well. I have Professional Style Working Hairspray by Caviar, and it's anti-aging. Who knew there was anti-aging hairspray? So I have that so I can fix my hair if it's a mess. And then I also have this Island Vanilla Perfumed Body Mist. I don't recommend spraying body mist on yourself during the flight and, you know, having people being maybe sensitive to the smell, but I think that when I arrive at the airport or maybe before I get on the plane, if I feel like I need to freshen up, I have the ability to do so with this. So I just want to keep that handy. I also have some sunscreen just to be prepared when we arrive in Aruba. I have some antibacterial hand gel. This is Sunshine and Lemons by Bath & Body. Typically, I would have this hooked onto my backpack, but for security purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it in my TSA bag for now. And then I have some nasal spray. I use nasal spray daily, multiple times a day, because I just tend to always have sinus issues, so that helps. I just want to make sure I have it with me for the flight. I have some not Ben & Jerry's. Where am I? I am back in Vermont. Ben & Jerry's. I have some Burt's Bees hand cream. That was funny. And then I also have this little container of body gel. This is by Ulta Beauty, and the scent is Lilac. What is it called? Lilac Breeze, and it smells really nice. So I have that. And again, this is just thinking, like, what if my luggage got lost? At least I would have some things to work with. I have some BB cream by Maybelline. And then I also have the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen, and this is SPF 40. I have the Plant Therapy Aid Synergy. This is for like sinus problems or headaches. It has a variety of different things that it helps out with, congestion, and it helps to help you breathe easier. So I thought this would be great to have too, especially if I'm feeling a little bit congested and just nasally. And then finally, I have a bunch of eye drops because my eyes do also tend to get very dry, and I need to have those with me really at all times. So that is everything that is in my bag that I need to check for TSA. That's everything, guys. I know it's a lot of stuff, but I feel like it's everything I could possibly need. Like I said, I'll probably throw a mascara in there, but other than that, I feel like if my luggage were lost, I can kind of survive for a while just with everything that I have in my backpack for this flight. So I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I fit in this bag for my upcoming flight. Hopefully it gave you some great ideas of what you should pack for yours. And I really do think it's gonna work out well because I have the handle so I can hold it this way. I can also hold it on my back like a backpack because there is some good weight to it. So I wanna have options in how I'm carrying it around. So I really think that it's going to work out well. I'll definitely give you guys a follow-up video of some sort, whether it be in a vlog or just an informational video, letting you know how I made out with this bag. But it does feel pretty sturdy, so I think it's gonna do all right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed the information that I shared. Make sure that you're subscribed, and I will see you in the next vlog. Take care. Bye.